So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is we got superflo ceiling fan. So this is in, I don't know the color name. I forgot. This is we got superflo ceiling fan. Its canopy is reversed. That's why there's no decorative ring on the canopy. This is in 1200 millimeter, 48 inch, and this one has had one capacitor change recently. This fan is good, but if you want decorative fans, please go for Crompton Avancer or Crompton Aura. That's the best decorative fans out there in the market. After that, you should go for Aval Sennheiser. Then last, this comes. So let me jump the fan. So this is the wall regulator, leak and fan. This is in 5 speed. This is the switch. 380 RPM. 380 RPM. So that's it for today. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.